In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily install WhatsApp application on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, you need to open up App Store. If you cannot find App Store icon on your home screens, then just swipe down to bring up search and then search for the App Store. So that's how we can easily find it. Once it is done, tap right here to go to search and then just search for WhatsApp in that simple way. Once it is done, tap right here to open up WhatsApp Messenger app page. Here we can see this open button because the app is already installed on my iPhone, but if you do not have it installed yet, it will say get here, or instead of the app there will be a cloud icon. Just tap at get button or at the cloud icon to install the app. And when the installation is complete, you will be able to open the app by clicking right here at this button, and also it will put WhatsApp application icon on your home screen. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.